evening. You're with the news here on Mirror Now. My name is Apurva Sridhar. Let's begin with our top focus story coming in from Karnataka, where there were dramatic scenes that was witnessed today morning at one of the parks in Bengaluru, where actor Samyukta Hegde was publicly shamed and abused. Her friend was even assaulted by the Karnataka Congress spokesperson Kavita Reddy. The reason behind this was that Samyukta was wearing a sports bra and she was exercising with two of her friends in the park. Objecting to Samyukta's sportswear, the argument first broke out between the Karnataka Congress spokesperson Kavita Reddy and Samyukta, following which it took an ugly turn, with the Congress spokesperson first physically attacking one of the actor's friend. Not just that, the actor later shared the Congress spokesperson's attack on her friend on her social media handle as well. Meanwhile, we are also given to understand that the actor claimed soon that she found herself surrounded by a group of men who also accused and abused her for the clothes that she was wearing. She was also allegedly threatened to embroil her in the fake drug case. Not just that, the actor records the entire scene on her phone. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Neha, these are some very serious charges there that the actress Samyukta Hegde has levelled against the Karnataka Congress spokesperson Kavita Reddy, to an extent that there were a lot of men there who had surrounded them. They had threatened her, and Kavita Reddy, in fact, could also be seen even assaulting one of the actor's friend.
That's absolutely right, Apurva. That's precisely what's happened here. The actor goes on to claim that she and her friends were only working out over there and using the hula hoop, like she very clearly states in the video. Whereas on the other hand, you also have Kavita Reddy here, who's gone on to say that there were complaints that were received from the public about nuisance being created with loud music being played at the park. So while, of course, we have weighed in both the sides over here, it's imperative for us to understand that nonetheless, this actor was moral policed, and more importantly, the fact that, her attire is what was commented upon. You had a crowd that had gheraued her over there, that have, in fact, screamed slogans against her, that have so much so even gone on to threaten to drag her name into the drug racket and malign her image. So at the end of the day, of course, it is imperative for us to understand that even the police that was standing over there, did not really act upon the situation. While they stood there and watched what was happening, they've also, allowed a crowd to really gather over there. There was no social distancing that was maintained. So really, of course, at this point in time, we understand, Apurva, that a non-cognizable offence report has been filed against Kavita Reddy basis the complaint of Samyukta Hegde.
All right, Neha, request you to stay with us at this point. Let's first listen into a reaction there coming in from Samyukta Hegde regarding this entire attack that has taken place.
I'm wearing a sports bra. I'm wearing a sports bra and pants. If anybody wants to see, I was wearing a sports bra and pants, and I'm with two girlfriends of mine, and I'm walking out here. I was wearing this, and they're asking me to strip. This is what I was wearing. This is what I was wearing and walking out by myself with two of my friends, and she came and tried to hit us, and now they're telling us we are wrong. Sir, tappu, sir. And now they're talking about drugs just like that, out of the blue.
What we were listening into was one of the reactions there from Samyukta, the actress, after the entire incident had taken place. Let's once again play out the entire sequence wherein we can see Kavita Reddy there attacking one of the friends of Samyukta Hegde there.
Go for it. These are the girls who are acting too smart. Yeah, this is the lady who abuses young people. Yeah, who calls them. Hey, what are you doing? Hey! Go for it. These are the girls who are acting too smart. Yeah, this is the lady who abuses young people. Yeah, who calls them. Hey, what are you doing? Hey!
In fact, just after this, we've seen a defense that has also now come in from the state Congress spokesperson, who took to Twitter in her defense, alleging that the actor stripped in public to do a live video, and also she abused a guard. Now, she went on to say that when celebrity status goes up, the misbehavior starts. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale once again on this. Neha, right after this video that was put out by Samyukta Hegde, there is a defense also now coming in from Kavita Reddy, where she's going on to say that the actor in fact indulged in indecent behavior. She stripped in public for a live video. Not just that, there's also allegation that she attacked a guard.
Well, that's absolutely right, Purva. Let's remember one thing that a little while earlier, when I did speak to Kavita Reddy on phone, she did mention that, the issue over here was not with the attire of the actress and her friends, but merely with the attitude. But very clearly, what you see from the video is this girl, the actress, and her friends being shamed and moral police for their attire. So much so that the actors, now in fact even gone on to really, explain in her video very clearly as to why this entire thing broke out. So, having said that, if of course the issue over here really at hand was that with the attire, that could have been made very clear, and the police also that was standing there as mute spectators did not really act on the situation, Apurva, allowing a crowd to gather, allowing a crowd to घेर out the actor, her friends, and make a complete chaos out of this entire situation. Let us remember that we are still in the middle of a pandemic and people are not supposed to gather in large crowds. But having said that, of course, we'll really have to wait and see as to what action is taken against either Kavita Reddy or Samyukta Hegde here.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.